Alright guys, we have arrived to our destination. This place is called Chivalry Lake. No, Chivalry Park, sorry, not lake. Already butchered the name, but we're here. Alright guys, here we are. I think we're gonna be going this way first. There's one other place, or one other person here. I think she's with her dog. Okay, so the road up here was kind of sketchy to get up because I wasn't sure if it was like a one-way entrance, you know? So I was a little bit nervous. But this is the stairs that lead up to there. Looks pretty neat. They blocked off the road over there. Welcome to the city of Astoria Parks. They've got the bags for a dog. This I don't think you have to pay for, so that's awesome. It's just off down over there. Pretty cool spot. Okay, so we're gonna be going up these stairs. It's actually quiet over here. From the pictures I've seen, this place looked really, really beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So this place is called Chivalry Park. Hopefully I'm pronouncing the names correctly. If I'm not, I'm sorry. That looks like a neat building. Look at that. Looks like they've got a little swing set over here. There's my car down there. Looks really neat. Here. Here's the swing set, which I like. I think we can come here later and swing. Wow. Check out this house. The back porch. So pretty. I love that. Alright. This looks like something you would see in the movies. Right? Okay. So we're gonna walk this trail that leads us over here. Smells pretty nice here, actually. Let's walk down that way towards the big pillars. Here are the stairs leading up to the little trail. It says Winhard, Astoria. This is the reason why I wanted to come here, because of this beautiful piece over here that I really wanted to show and share with you guys. Okay, let's walk up this trail. Wow, it's like walking into a secret forest. I thought someone else was here, but I'm not entirely sure. Alright, looks beautiful. Hopefully nobody's here. I mean, like, wildlife. Already out of breath. So sorry guys. I'm not used to this whole hiking thing, but I'm going to try my hardest to get used to it. I think going up this way leads to something interesting up there. possibly. Hello, coming through. Woo! Letting wildlife know I'm here. Coming through. Coming through. Hello. I am coming through. Another trail. We're gonna go over here. Hopefully my breathing isn't too loud. Coming through, coming through. Okay, cool. Looks like another picnic area. All right, this is nice. What did they plant over there? Those trees are all lined up. You can see this beautiful piece of rock over here. Guys, I'm loving this. Honestly. I know I'm gonna say this again, but this is truly what life is all about. This right here. Just traveling, enjoying life. So you got picnic benches right here. And this one, I don't think it has one. Oh, it does. Right there. I'm gonna take a couple pictures here. And then we're gonna go down that way. Alright guys, so we're here. Gonna take a quick break and drink some water. I kind of broke one of the legs on my tripod, phone tripod or whatever, so that's fun. Not really, but you know what I mean. I bought 3 waters, but this one I brought up here with me because I just don't want to bring anything else, but it's nice here. It's peaceful and quiet. I still haven't seen the other person that's up here. I don't know where she went, but I guess it's for the best. I do have this knife for protection, so I think I'm gonna keep that over here. And then, yeah, we're gonna go check out that area over there, so let's go. So walking down over here, you can see this trail to the left over here, down there, leads, I think, down all the way somewhere there. Oh, there's the woman with the dog. Cool. There's also people who wrote carved things on here. A guitar carving. Kind of cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk towards the vine area. Alright guys, just wanted to sit here for a quick second or two, but it is beautiful here. It's peaceful, it's quiet. I'm actually loving it here. This is actually a good spot to come and just hang out, relax, and chill. There's also another trail that leads down that way, which I think is where a couple more cool things are. I'm not entirely sure. And then looks like there might be another trail somewhere down that way. But I think that way leads down to that dirt road that we were looking at. But we're gonna go through here and check this out first. There's a little vine thing here. I don't know what this is, what it is exactly, but let's walk in, find out. This is so pretty. There's definitely wildlife up here. I'm hearing things moving in the forest. Yeah. It's a little sketchy, not gonna lie. My gosh, this stick is stuck to my shoe. I guess it wants to come with me. Okay, so there's stairs that lead down that way and this way. I think we're gonna go this way first. And I guess some that lead down this way. Yep. Okay, cool. It doesn't sound shabby. I don't even know what shabby means, but whatever. Oh, this is a dirt road that leads around this part. I guess that's another way down there. Okay, more people are here, which is quite awesome. I'm gonna go back this way. There's people also down the hill on this side, yelling, shouting. So hopefully it's safe to go down there. But we're gonna go this way and walk the trail down. There's some shortcuts there, but I don't want to take them because I don't want to get lost. So, yeah. This looks like an enchanted forest. Can't even speak proper English. But it does look like a trail that goes all the way down there. You can go all the way down there, guys. This trail leads all the way down there. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared to go, so I don't think I'll be going. This time I did bring protection with me. I bought a knife just in case, but still, I don't know. Okay guys, I ran into a lady and she's with her dog and she went down that way to the trail. I'm gonna go. I gotta stop being a chicken. At least she's there, so God forbid if anything happens, someone's there. Guys, so I'm being brave and doing this for you guys. Woo! Mosquito. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. It's a crazy tree. I will be okay. I will be a-okay. Did she say half a mile? Yeah, this is... Oh, sorry, I thought I saw something. Losing my mind. Losing my mind. Clearly. Alright, guys. Seems like another trail here, maybe. So the lady said the trail goes down to kind of a nice view somewhere, and then into like someone's yard, I guess. I don't know. Somebody lives down here. So I'm just gonna stay on this one trail, not take any lefts or rights, maybe take a picture of this. That's about it. I had a spider on my phone mount, which was not fun, but that looks cool. The lady said she's been here before, so I'm gonna be brave and do this. We're gonna stay on the main road or the main walkway and quit being scared. We got this. I don't know. That lady kind of motivated me to come out and just not be a chicken and just do it. If she can do it, I can do it. We'll be fine. This is a one-way trail. We're not gonna get lost. We're gonna be fine. It's beautiful out here though, not gonna lie. It's gorgeous. Right. I'm gonna stay on the same trail. We'll be fine. Just gotta be a little bit loud. The animals know we're coming through. This will be a good time to play some music. I'm gonna get one of those bells next time that just jiggles every time I walk. When did I gain some balls of steel to be out here? What is wrong with me? Coming through. We're coming through. This is gonna be a fun hike back up. At least this is good exercise. Okay, I don't know what is wrong with me and the need for an adventure or where I grew balls of steel. But somewhere, guys, I grew balls of steel somewhere. By the way, I'm filming back and forth on my iPhone. Like right now I'm on my iPhone, DJI is here. But yeah, so if the camera's a little wobbly at sometimes, it's because I'm on my iPhone. So yeah. It's way less wobbly when I have this with me. Okay, we're doing good. Just pay attention to the trails and we'll know where we're going. Okay, good. All right, pay attention to the trails. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. Cool. Calm and collected wins the race. I don't know what I'm saying now. I'm just mumbling. I'm being brave over here for you guys to explore and go hiking. I just have my knife with me for protection. I don't have anything else, and I'm out of breath because I'm not used to being active, but I'm trying to more. Do I keep going or do I stop? What do you guys think? Why do I do this? Why do I insist on doing this? I'm looking back to make sure I don't get lost. Okay. Alright, almost there, guys. I was just about to turn back. Okay, she said when you go here, don't take a right, take a left. Oh. Okay. What am I getting myself into? What am I getting myself into? Why must I do this? Am I crazy? Yes, I am. I'm crazy. But you said there's a nice peak of the river up here. So, that's why I'm going up here. I'll be fine, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Okay. Is it up here? You can see a big peak of the river up here. Oh, wow. I see what she meant up there. Okay. Cool, let's go there. This would be a nice spot for a picture, actually. Okay, so this is what she was talking about. Oh, the house is down there. Okay. Wow, that's actually really pretty. Amazing. Wow. Alright, so this was what she was talking about. Peak of the river. Cool. Alright. Sweet. Now we're gonna go back because it's almost about to be 1. And I have some other cool spots I want to check out too. Sorry, my knife is poking me in the stomach right now. I have it on the side of my pants. Guys, let's pray we're able to get out the way we came. I think we will. Just pray to God we don't get lost. Okay, we did not get lost. We made it back to that sign we started from. Praise the Lord. That's where we just came back from. I'm sorry, I'm so out of breath, guys. So out of shape. But I know the more I do this, the less out of shape I'll be and out of breath. I have my water with me, but I refused to drink any till I got to that white sign over there. Guys, we have made it to that sign right here. We're gonna stop for a second, drink some water. That was crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's beautiful out here though. Definitely worth it. I didn't chicken out and I went all the way there. Improvements. Good. My biggest fear is just running into wildlife. Just a bear. That's my biggest fear about here, and running into possibly the wrong person as well, but mostly a bear. I don't know. I know chances of seeing them are slim, but I could be that slim chance and run into one, and I would be scared for dear life. Okay, We're gonna head back to the car and go, and we'll talk when we get there, okay? Okay guys, we are back on this roadway, which I believe is gonna lead us back to the car. So that's exciting. Okay guys, we made it back. I don't know if it's me, but I feel like I smell marijuana. Maybe it's not. What do I know? But we made it back to the parking lot over here. Okay guys, I'm back in my car. Whew, that was crazy. I honestly thought a bear was gonna eat me because it was like kind of dense woods, and I never go in the woods alone besides that one time at that lake place that I went, which wasn't too bad, but this one was a little intense. I was a little nervous. Ugh. Scary.